From delivering sermons to beating Bobby Flay, he's known as the cooking priest.
What recipe did you beat Bobby Flay with?
It's now known as Father Leo's Funky Fusion Steak Fajita with holy guacamole.
I love it. Okay. And since tomorrow is Palm Sunday, he's joining us with a very special Palm Sunday recipe.
Father Patalinghug is a Catholic priest, chef, and author of Dining with the Saints, which looks like a fantastic book. Father, thanks for being here.
Oh my gosh, it's an absolute pleasure, especially since you've been working so hard.
Yeah, we get to eat.
And this book is really about how to feed your family, but also bring the saints to your table, because if we're not helping them to become saints, then what do they become?
We're not the saints.
That's our job as parents. Yes, I love it. So tell us how this recipe has to do with the holiday that we have tomorrow, the feast day of Palm Sunday.
So we actually have hearts of palm, which is also known as a millionaire ingredient because you have to harvest it from the interior of the palm. The palm actually represents, you can actually taste it. It's going to have a real nice vegetal quality to it, and it also is going to have the combination of kind of like an asparagus or artichoke.
We didn't know this. It's the inside. It's the trunk of the palm. Inside the trunk?
A palm tree.
Inside. And the reason why we celebrate it is because it's a sign of victory. In the desert, if you find a palm tree, there's water. They use the leaves for thatching the roof. They also wove crowns with it to show decoration, to make baskets. And so it really was a sign of victory. And when they were waving it to Jesus, he was going in to be victorious over sin and death.
And then at the end of it, that's all you get? That little piece.
This little piece right here.
All that work to get to that?
That's why it's
right. That's why it's rich.
Wow. That's why it exactly is. It's really all about the celebration of great things that Jesus wants to bring to us. And I used the farfalle pasta, which is like a bow tie, but farfalle means butterfly because this is a season of kind of coming into new life the same way a butterfly will have to die to self in order to have new life.
Oh, I love this. Okay, so we get to try this?
You sure do.
Okay,
and so
let's do that.
This is some garlic, olive oil. We're going to finish it up with just a little bit more olive oil. We call that confirmation. And we're going to taste it.
That's right. Father, we're going to also come and bring my daughters up here because it's my daughter's birthday. So what a great way to celebrate her birthday. Mighty V, come here, Margarita.
Not only is it her birthday, it's her 13th birthday.
It's her 13th
birthday.
Here we go. There we go.
By the way, this book is phenomenal. Dining with the Saints. You learn about a saint on a day that you prepare the dish.
We'll try the pasta. We'll be back in just a moment. More Fox and Friends coming up.
God only knows.